Merry Christmas. And hello to the last midnight stream. Mm. Mm-hmm. Because in 6 seconds, the last day of Advent of Code is gonna start. I do have some news. We'll do that later. Oh God, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Oof. So this is 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 0, 5 plus 1. What the heck? Oh no. So I sum all these numbers. That should be easy enough. Oh boy. No, I changed my template. That's a bit of a problem. Okay. Split lines, and we don't need an numpy array, so we should have print t. Perfect. Why are we trying to parse it as int? We just want string. Better. For row in t. R equals reversed row. Ref num equals 0 for CR. Ref num times equals 5. Ref num plus equals idx of C. And idx is in the dictionary. We got this equals 2. Colon, of course. We got 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. I'm not 100% sure how to convert it back. S starts as 0, and then S plus equals ref num. So this is going to get us the right decimal number. Well, I guess there is a 0. But how do we convert this back? Ooh, the whole minus thing is really causing a bit of a problem. Result equals empty string. X equals 1, while X smaller than S And this is a problem. How do you... Ah! All s greater than x times 2, x times equals 5. Print x. What do we get? A number that's way too big. If x greater than s, s plus equals 1, x divided equals 5, s plus equals... Man, I think what we gotta do is, while x greater equals 1, res plus equals, we got the reverse index, dude. I don't really know how to approach this. Plus equals reverse index of s fully divided by x, maybe. Um, and then s minus equals s minus equals s. I have no idea, dude. I have no idea. ER13. How's this possible? How the hell can it be 13? Ugh, I think we should print res on every step here to see if this has ever worked. Yeah, I guess. So now, if how do you do this? How would you ever return a negative number? So I guess you say if s fully divided by x is greater than 2, then the current number n is this. N plus equals, let's see, here 3, got it. Okay, I think I need to keep trying going down, and sometimes we just have to pop and go up. So I think what we should do is say if n greater 2, then we break, or we continue rather. Um, we do x times equals 5, and we say res dot pop, or rather res equals res up to -1, and we say added is this plus added get then res 0 added len res plus equals 1. Shit. See, we're running into an endless loop here. I kind of feel like we should do x instead. See, this is also not working. Ooh, holy cow. Okay. Okay, I think first of all, this only happens down there, but it's still gonna be a problem because we have to re-add the previous value. Shoot, dude. So this is gonna probably succeed, but give us the wrong value. Because this can only happen, like, if we were to solve this now, it's not correct. Nope. We have to re-add what we just subtracted here. The question is, how do we get there? Well, I think by saying s plus equals x, which we already made larger again, times idx of the loss value. So last value is res minus 1, and we'll put it in right here. Now the issue now is rest might be undefined because there's a type on the variable. This might be correct, actually. I think we might have it now. Nope, still not correct. Okay, let's see what we get for s equals, let's say it's something very simple. I want to see 8. We get 2 equal. That is correct. Let's try 2022. We get 1 equals 11 minus 2. That is also correct. So let's try pi for a lot of numbers. So pi. We get something that is also correct. The number numbers in the example above can be converted to decimal numbers as follow. The sum of these numbers is whatever. As you go into the input, these numbers, you discover that some buttons you expect are missing and switch your order. What number do I provide to the console? Do I have to do the sum or not? Oh, I have to read the entire thing. No, it's just the sum. So why the heck is this wrong? It should be the solution. God damn it. Oh, is this wrong then? Can't I do the conversion to the other direction correctly? Like, okay, we should say s to decimal of number, and we should do decimal to n. So we get this right. This is going to give you the number decimal to n, only it's working with s instead. And should return res at the end. And this should do s to d, return pref number. So now what we want to test is if we can do s to d, no, d to s, no, d to, why did I call it d to n? Should be d to s. Decimal to snafu of I should give us, if we print it, what we already just established, right? This is perfect. So now let's give us d to s for this number here. Okay, that's fine. Let's just R map it. What the heck? Oh, S to D, of course. It's getting late. Huh, this is completely off. Ugh, no. So we have x equal to 1. F number. Yeah, okay. Let's not reverse it. For character, graph num plus equals x times this, and then we do x equals 5. This is just the easiest way to do it. We still get the wrong value. What? Guess have to revert? Yeah, I guess I still have to. Yeah. Okay. So now for n and t, s plus equals n, s to d of n, print t to s of s. Boom, it's still not correct. Ah, what is happening? So it's correct for the test input again. Are there like any hidden characters here? I mean, there's a new line, but that's not going to be an issue. What's wrong with this? I don't like this. Why? Why is it not correct? What is the output again? There's no leading zero. S to D seems to be working just fine. I guess we can just return S here now. Gives us the same result. Trying to run into a bit of an issue here. 23 minutes, dude. What happens if we do S to D? of this number here. It's exactly the same. Dude, can't help but feel like my script is messing up submitting this as an answer because there are special characters inside. So let's try just submitting it manually. Dude, I swear this is it. It's killing the script because of the equal signs. I wonder if they did this on purpose. Yeah. Uh, man. I bet they did this on purpose. Because the answer is submitted in URL encoded format. Look, there is no chance I like made it anywhere close to like I'm probably 1,200 or something. Yeah, pretty close. Um, well, here's what I did wrong. First of all, I got way too fancy with my method. Second of all, I didn't write these convenience methods. I will put it all into the easy method. Third of all, my script that's submitting the answers is not working with equal signs in the result because um, I mean, we can take a look at ASC CLI here. Here you go. It's going to do a curl with the answer. And the way it's adding this data is right here. And as you can see, curl is being called for level equals and answer equals. And I have no idea how to properly encode this answer because there's an equal sign in there that probably causes some issues. I don't even know what this encoding is called. We can probably read it out of the stuff here. No. Content. There's no. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's X www form URL encoded. And I have no idea how to escape equal signs here. Well, we learned something today. I wish I would have learned it in a different way, but we did learn. Merry Christmas. Um, I'm pretty happy with this year in general. I will definitely continue submitting these answers for all the days we haven't done so far. I will finish this by stopping the stream and starting a new one because I have some news for day 22 and I want to properly split up the VODs, so I'm going to do that now.